Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now I will show you how to reuse your Periscope sessions in other channels. Because if you, let's say you did a Periscope session today and it was great, you delivered the message, people love it, you have audience engaging and all that good stuff that we want. Now that you have that, you can share all these on other channels like YouTube and Facebook especially. So I will show you how to download that video, that scope, or how to save that to your device and to use that in other channels. Okay, so here we are first on the Periscope TV website. So you go to periscope.tv and this is the main website. Here at the top you will have a chance to log in, so click on that, log in with your Periscope account, and now here we have the profile picture. This is the picture. Let me click here and click on view profile. Okay, this is a new account we created. We did this scope a few videos ago, and this is the scope, this is the video that I will download here on the system, and I will post that in other platforms, okay, to share with more and more people. So you don't need to redo the whole thing, right? Unfortunately, Periscope doesn't have right now a way to download the image directly. You have two options. You can save the file or to your device, to your smartphone, or you can download the file later, and that's the one that I will show you now. In a few minutes I'll show you how to save straight to your device. Okay, so here we are on the Periscope TV website. We log in, we are in the profile. All we need to do is click on the video. You will have more videos here when you start doing more sessions. So click on the video you want. Here we are, click on play, and you will see the video playing now, the one that you just completed. This is the session we did with some of you here on the course. So now we need to click here in share. We want to share this video with other people. So here at the top we have the link, right? The link Periscope TV /w/ and this is a code. This is the video code. So we copy this text. We go to Google and we search for download Periscope videos. Okay, download Periscope videos. Here we have the first link. On this case is downloadperiscopevideos.com, or you can go straight to this website too. Okay, so click on that, and here we have an unofficial website yet to download the file. The file will download in the format .ts, which is the Periscope. You can play that with a video player called VLC. Here you are. This is the name, VLC player. This works on Mac or PC. You can use this one to play the link. So here we place the link and click on the download button. Let's see. It's processing and now it's downloading the video down here. You see, okay, the video is completely downloaded. If I click now, I'll be able to see the video file here because I already installed VLC player. Okay, so here we have the video. Everything is great, wonderful. So now I have the video ready to upload to other channels like my YouTube page, my YouTube group, my Facebook channel, and all that. That's one way to do it, guys. The other way is to use your phone. So here I am on the Periscope app. If I go here to the lower right hand side on the accounts icon here, you see my account, you see my picture, which is blank right now. I didn't add a picture for this one. My name, my username, all good. Scroll down until settings, click on settings here, and scroll down until you find camera roll, and under camera roll you have auto save to camera roll. Enable that. Permissions to access the photos, yes. And also I recommend you to enable the option to save in high definition. Enable that too. It will take more space on your device, but it's good to have in high definition. So you, after your scope session, you will have on your camera roll a new video, which will be your scope, the scope session that you just finished. And basically all you need to do now, because it's on your device already, you can upload straight to Facebook and straight to YouTube, or you can connect to your computer and transfer the file to your Mac or to your PC and upload from there. So basically the idea that I want to share with you in this video is not rocket science. It's just the idea to reuse this content, because you already invest time preparing for this scope, you invested time creating the scope and engaging your audience. And if you have a great session, you want to reuse all that power that you have there. You don't need to redo it all again because it's already done, right? And you have the proof because you saw hearts from your audience, you saw the engagement, the comments, the share, and all that. So you know that this video that you just created works fine for your audience. So you can share that right now with these tools I share with you today on your YouTube channel or Facebook page. I hope you like that, and see you in the next video.